Hello everyone, and welcome to another video in my channel. In this video, I have a fine combination of exponential function and a trig function forming an equation. What I have is 2 tan squared x plus 2 sec squared x is equal to 24. I have solved problems like this in this channel, where we have the base of the exponent being a number or a constant and the power being a trig identity. I have solved several problems like this in this channel. So I'll leave the links to the videos where I solve such problems in the description of this video. Now, before I proceed, I would like you to do me a favor. Please help this channel to grow by leaving a simple like or a simple comment, and also share this video to your loved ones. Now, enough of the commercials. Let us now solve the problem. So we need to ensure that the powers are the same so that we'll be able to solve them. How can we do that? We know that tan squared x plus 1 is equal to sec squared x. We derive this equation from sine squared x plus cos squared x is equal to 1. If we divide both sides by cos squared x, we are going to get tan squared x plus 1 equals to sec squared x, because sine squared x divided by cos squared x will give us tan squared x, and this is 1. Now 1 over cos squared x is sec squared x. So what I will do is, instead of writing sec squared x here, I'll replace it with this tan squared x plus 1. So it becomes 2 tan squared x plus 2 to power tan squared x plus 1 is equal to 24. Now in indices, if I have x raised to power a plus b, it is the same thing as x raised to power a times x to power b. So since I have 2 to power tan squared x plus 1 here, it will become 2 to power tan squared x times 2. So that becomes 2 tan squared x plus, this becomes 2 times 2 tan squared x is equal to 24. Good. Now I can add them together because we have something like x plus 2x here. So it becomes 3 times 2 to power tan squared x is equal to 24. Now divide both sides by 3. What we're going to get is 2 to power tan squared x is equal to 24 by 3 will give us 8. So we can rewrite it as 2 to power tan squared x is equal to 2 to power 3. Now, since the bases are the same, they cancel out, then we will take the powers. Tan squared x is equal to 3. Now, I can square root both sides. That becomes tan x is equal to plus or minus the square root of 3. Now, what is the value of the square root of 3? I am going to show the value of the square root of 3 here. This is an equilateral triangle of sides 2 units each. If I divide it into 2 equal parts, here is going to be root 3, while here is 1 and here is 1. Here is 60 degrees, while here is 30 degrees. So now, tan 60 is equal to opposite, that is root 3 all over 1. So tan 60 is root 3 over 1, or simply root 3. Therefore, our value of x is the tan inverse of plus or minus root 3. And we have just seen that the value is 60. Now, this is in degrees. So x is equal to 60 degrees in degrees. Now, what about in radians? Let's remember that pi is equal to 180. And if I divide it by 3, I have 60. So x is equal to pi over 3 in radians. However, if I add 180 to it, I'll also get the value of root 3. Therefore, x is equal to pi over 3 plus or minus pi that is 180. Now, if I multiply it by a whole number, which is n, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, and so forth, I'll get the value of x. So the value of x is pi over 3 plus or minus n pi, or even 60 plus or minus n times 180.